Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing this smoky brown look right here. So if you guys are interested in this look, then just keep on watching. So the palette that I'm using is the ABH Sultry palette, and I am taking the colors Twig, and I am just placing that all over the crease. So the next color I'm using is this color named Dystopian. I think I'm pronouncing that right, but I am placing that onto the bottom of that color and just blending those two out. So the next color I'm using is the color Nor. It's like a black shadow, and I'm just placing that onto the bottom of the crease. So I'm going to be using Dystopian and Nor again, those two colors, which is the brown one and the black one, to place that onto the outer crease. So I'm going to be using this shimmer shade called Ember, and I'm just placing that onto the lids. So for foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay Matte. To contour, I'm using the Halted contour palette from the Makeup Shack. to bake, I'm using the RCMA no color powder, and I'm just So next I'm taking dystopian and I'm just placing that onto the bottom lashes. To overline my lips, I'm using the NYX lip pencil in the name Sandstorm, I believe, but I'll list everything down below. For lipsticks, I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay Ink Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Fighter. And I'm using this shade called Pearl, and I'm just pasting that onto the inner corners. For highlight, I'm using the ABH Amrezy highlighter. So this is the complete look right here. And before I go, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for 500 subscribers. I know we could hit 1K by the end of this month, but other than that, I'll see you guys next time on my next video.